I need a graceful poop. Our assistant is coming. Mia Casa M1 Cat Litter Box. It provides 5 buttons to operate and ample space to hold enough litter. Let's start. No worry about soft or unburied cat litter with gradual cleaning method. Enjoy poop time with open environment and smooth litter. Continue cleaning function. Make sure it keeps clean every moment. Pull and wrap. Throw. Give them some privacy when they're social. Any types of cats can jump in and out easily without any security concerns. You can check detailed data on the app. Check assistance work. Perfect. Washing has never been this easy before. Mia Casa, open delight for cats and humans alike.
ScoopFree Clumping Litter Box uses your cat's favorite litter, so getting your cat acclimated should be simple. One helpful tip is to place your new ScoopFree next to your cat's old litter box for a week or so. This encourages your cat to try their new ScoopFree before removing the old litter box completely. Cleaning the ScoopFree Clumping litter box is super easy. First, slide out the waste bin. Then, lift up the bin cover and it slips right out. To remove the rake, simply lift up on these little tabs and give each thumb screw a small turn. Lift the rake straight up and out it goes. Remove the litter tray with the old litter. Use the little handles on each side to dump the litter into the trash. Wash the parts of the litter box that we just took apart. Be sure to wipe down the sensors inside the box and make sure those are nice and clean. That's how the box knows when your cat enters and leaves. Put the parts back together, add fresh litter while knowing that you'll never have to scoop it again.
Hey, I'm Lala. Today's my birthday. Alan sent me a gift. Wow, a litter box? Uh-oh, wrong place. Look, it's moving! So spacious! Woohoo! It's starting to work! Oh, it did better than Alan! No waste piling up! And no smell! Awesome! Alan, where did you get this?
Well, I designed it for you. Manual refill. Set rolling. Not auto-resistant. No!
He did it! Wow! You know what? It's been a week! And my toilet still remains dry and clean. Alan can focus on his own things without worrying about me. And deodorize and sterilize. No smell. Whoa! Lemmy's approaching and it stops. Though Lemmy's light, he's detected. Bro, Alan can check our health condition. Uh-oh, quite a bit of poop. Tilt, push, and lift. Easy! Thanks, Alan. I love it.